Hi everyone, myself Rekha. Today I am going to discuss about the topic frequency polygon in the course Fundamental of Business Statistics. So previous class we discussed about the collection of data, then how to interpret the data, analyze the data, and after collecting the data we will picturize the data using the histogram, bar chart, etc. Similarly, we can draw the frequency polygon for the data also. So in the histogram itself we can draw the frequency polygon. So what is frequency polygon? The line chart obtained by joining the successive midpoints of the top most uppermost of the rectangle in histogram by a straight line is known as an frequency polygon. So in first of all we have to draw a histogram. So how will you draw the histogram? Histogram can be drawn for a class interval with the class frequency, and based on the histogram diagram, if you join the points in the middle of the top uppermost, and if you join using a straight line, that line we can say it is a frequency polygon. It is customarily to join the extreme two middle points to the baseline at the midpoint of the next class interval. So normally histogram is nothing but an one continuous diagram. In the histogram, if we join the center point, we can say it is a frequency polygon. It's same as a histogram. So in the histogram itself, we can draw a frequency polygon. So the dotted lines of the figure represent the frequency polygon. So next of all we can see how to draw a frequency polygon. The points are plotted by the midpoint of the class interval as an x coordinate and the corresponding frequency as an y coordinate. Then you will get a line chart obtained by joining such a straight line. This is known as an frequency polygon. Let us see how to draw the frequency polygon. Now consider a data 50 to 59, 60 to 69, 70 to 79, so on. So these we have to draw a histogram and frequency polygon. If you notice this problem, it is not a continuous interval. We have to change the points as a continuous interval. 50 to 59 and there will be a break to 60 to 69. So we have to reduce 0.5 in 50 and we have to add 0.5 in 59. So if you reduce 0.5, it will become 49.5. If you add 59 with 0.5, you will get 59.5 and you will get the values like that. So now the class boundaries will become 49.5 to 59.5, 59.5 to 69.5 and up to 109.2 to 119.5, and the data are given. Now we can draw the diagram. So you have to apply the x-axis as, what are the x-axis? 49.5 to 59. So normally histogram can be applied for the continuous diagram, and if you notice the scale, that is nothing but 8, 10, 16. So you can give either 2, 4, 6 or else 4, 4 table, etc. So let us draw a diagram. X in the x-axis you have to mark it as 49.5, 59.5, 69.5, 79.5 up to 109.5, 129.5. In y-axis you can apply it as 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. So 49.5 to 59.5 and 59.5 to 69.5 you have to draw a continuous histogram. And after drawing the histogram, the center of the each histogram rectangular series, you have to mark a dotted line. You have to mark a center point. Now we are going to join the center point using a dotted lines or else using a straight line. If you join all the straight straight line, then we can say it is a frequency polygon. So you can draw the frequency polygon in the histogram itself. So this helps us to reveal the highest point where the 59.5 to 79.5 ranges from 16. 69.5 to 79.5 ranges to 16. So this helps us to reveal how to draw the frequency polygon in the histogram. So if the question arises, both the histogram and frequency polygon in the same diagram you can represent. This is a 10 mark compulsory problem, and you can apply the data using the pictorial representation. You can clearly observe the data. So today we discussed the how to draw frequency polygon and using the histogram diagram. Thank you so much.